Hello students, so this is just a quick tutorial about Excel document that I'm going to show you. So first, you need to open an Excel. But before that, ang Excel makita na but if wala na siya diha, naran siya diri sa start button o start bar, and then just scroll up or makita ra ninyo ang inyong mga apps diri. So kanina siya diri Excel. Then double click to open. So once open na siya, select the blank document. So there is another columns wherein you can enter or you can input your data. So for example, in column A, we're going to name here as students. And then input the name of the students, Mary, Jane, Shane, Honey, Majin. Example lang ni siya ha. J. And in column B, you can write it here, scores. Scores number 1. So this is just an example. You can write here any title that you want. So for Mary, if for example, score niya is 5, and then 6, 10, 15, 14, and 20. And then for score number 2, 8, example lang ni siya, 15, 20, 15, 14. So if you want to get the sum of these scores, just click here or click the column where you want to have the result and then put a plus sign. Kana siya. And then you can also manually enter here the word average. Pop up rin siya diha. Or you can just select here in the upper left, average. And then ang cell kung asa siya na fall. So for example, for the score 1, B, and then number 3. So that's B3. And then C, and then number 3, kay Mary. And then click enter. So once na ano na siya ang average, diha niyan Mary, pwede na mo siya i-drag paubos para makuha ang result sa other students. Ano siya. And if you want to enter a graph or you want to create a graph, a line graph, for example, kani siya, just click and then right click the chart area. Go to select data and then add. Click the arrow up for the series. You can just select the cell by highlighting. So kani for example, scores number 1. And then for kani siya, pwede na siya i-highlight. Automatic na siya mo enter. And then click OK. So as you can see, wag tang siya. Again. Select data. Go to add. And then select the series name, scores. And then kani siya. Drag or highlight. Then click OK. And then edit. Select ang sana siyang access. And then click OK. As you can see, na siya na-form na ring a line. So, if you want to add another data, same process. Go to add. And then scores. Click and highlight. And then click OK. That's it. So, as you can see, naka-form na ka-og line graph. Siya. So, that's for the first tab. By the way, so as you can see, there is almost na siya sheet name. So this is what we call the tab. So to rename that one, if you, for example, line graph. Example lang ni siya ha. Line graph na siya. If you want to add another tab, for example, pie graph. Just click the add button if you want to add another tab. So, kani siya sa line graph. Ano siya? So, for example, sa pie graph, you want to have a pie graph. For example, same information imong gamiton. All you need to do is to enter the information that you want. Kani siya, kaning students, pwede siya nimo ma-edit or ma-change kung unsa imong ganang title nga sa imong data. Also sa column sa scores. And then go to insert, select pie graph. So same procedure, right click the chart area and then go to select data, go to add, and then highlight the name of the data that you want to have, and then highlight the row scores or the numbers, and there you are. Okay, and click OK. So that's it. Naka-form na ka og pie chart. And if you want to submit this information into a hard copy, just click this one on the lower right. Makita diri nga option. Or pwede na siya di mo i-click, then Control P to print the information. Or pwede ra sad maka-add mo sa mga internet cafe and then print your work. Alright? So if you have any questions, just drop it in our group chat, Empowerment, or you can just PM me. Thank you and good night.